Hi, Jasmine. Hi, Aladdin. Oh, how you hear the airplane crash? Yeah, I heard about it. I wish we can go and see the pack of toys. Wait, there's toys? Yeah, it shoot out toys. Let's go find it. I have a plan.
2 hours ago. Found it.
Let's try to open it.
We
got it! Hey guys, it's me, Brisa, and Jasmine and Allidan saw that the airplane crashed and it shoot out toys. Let's see what's in here. Oh my god, our first My Little Pony doll.
That's amazing.
Mary is so pretty. She looks like she's like going to a party. Nah, but I love how her hair is purple. And I love her eyes are blue and it goes dark. And whoa, she has white hair. I mean white hair. Why did I say white hair? White ears, and then the necklace, then shoes. Oh, these shoes. Oh, I got sick of being in that bag. I can't believe it.
There's another one. It's another little person.
Not of a much of talker, huh? I love how he has a kiss mark from Snow White, and I love he's like I love he doesn't talk, but he's so cute and crazy. That's all I love about him. We're taking out 4 people at a time. Batgirl. I love how she has a blue cape, orange. I love how it has a Batman thing symbol. And I love she has a belt and gray shirt and yellow boots. I survived the plane crash. Except some twins. Hi.
We love saying things together.
Yeah.
It's like our favorite thing to do.
Yeah.
These are the 2 Rapunzels.
Yeah. I love how they have blonde hair. But this one has no flowers and this one doesn't. And I love her. We both have the same bush, but hers is lighter, hers is dark. And she has
She has no shoes.
Yeah.
This Rapunzel does.
Yeah.
This Rapunzel.
I love these. I'm prettier.
Also, this one has a crown and that one doesn't.
Yeah, and she has no eyebrows. Now we're moving on to toy pets. First, we have a Spike from My Little Pony. I love he has green. I love he has purple eyebrows.
You are your eyebrows though.
And
He's just beautiful.
yeah.
His collar is so pretty.
Yeah. Well, what's wrong with his mouth?